So the last thing I want to show you through in Live 11 is some of the new velocity features. I've been using this on drum programming a lot. Super fun. So the first of those is the randomize button. I've got a run of hi-hats here. If I hit randomize, the velocity values get randomized. We can make this randomization more or less extreme with the amount here. So if I undo, make that a little lower, the randomization will be slightly more subtle. The second thing is the velocity range here. So this also takes advantage of randomization. It allows you to set a range for each MIDI note. Every time that MIDI note strikes, it'll play at a random velocity within that range. So as opposed to setting it in stone, it's kind of constantly changing and constantly shifting and constantly being randomized. So if I increase that range, we hear that it's forever randomizing the amount.